The clamor to permit three attempts for the joint entrance examination JEE Advanced is growing louder and louder. So much so that over 10k posts were noted on social media platform X with the hashtag Restore Third Attempt in just one day. What's happening? Let's find out in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Seema Rajpal. On November 18th, the JAB retracted its decision to increase the number of attempts for the JEE Advanced to 3 for 2024. The number of attempts remains 2, with hopes that the third attempt would come to their aid in getting into IITs. Many aspirants have allegedly left their seats in NITs and have been preparing for the exam. It is alleged that almost 1 lakh students are affected by the cancellation of the third attempt. A candidate from Bihar said, and I quote, "Many students' dreams of getting into premier institutions are shattered. Therefore, we demand a third attempt," unquote. Here's what advocate and president of India-wide Parents Association Anubha Srivastava has to say.
Many students who have taken admission earlier, applied for admission in various government colleges, they have given away their seats and they have cancelled their seats. Now they are not getting admission anywhere but in private college, and most of the seats are also full as told by the students. So where will they go now? Now they are stuck. They have spent a lot of money also as far as the coaching is concerned, and now they are not getting admission even in NITs because they have given away the seats. So my humble request to Education Ministry, also to IIT, all the officers, all the directors, please kindly consider the plea of these aspirants, JEE aspirants, and provide them relief so that they can continue their studies or provide them attempt for next year.
Advocate and activist Anubha Srivastava says, and I quote, "Students cannot go to the court for every problem. Instead, the ministry should answer to their messages," unquote. That's all we have for you today. We will see you again tomorrow. Mask up and stay safe.